Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel I gives review about skincare and haircare products. Today I will review more about Bella White Lotion. Before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bella White Lotion is a glow and radiant lotion with super skin glow ingredients. Bella White Lotion is formulated with vitamin C extract, papaya extract, carrot oil, glycolic, biotermochloricin, lactic extract, snail slime and glutathione, the best whitening and skin repairing ingredients in the world. Regular use of Bella White Lotion will result to reduce skin pigmentation and generate a glowing youthful appearance. How to use Bella White Lotion. Apply the lotion all over the body on a previously cleansed skin. Note that it for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes and lip, and keep in a cool and dry place. Benefits of using Bella White Lotion. 1. Skin unification. 2. Super skin glowing. 3. Anti-aging. 4. Clears sunburn. 5. Anti-wrinkles. 6. Anti-stretch marks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.